I know, but today you sit there, okay?
No.
Then behave yourself, otherwise I'll scold you. Just focus on studies. Don't do any mischiefs. Let's start, friends. And the first
Good
thing.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, in our last class, we talked about the past form of beaver. What are the past forms of beaver? Past form of beaver. What are the past forms of beaver? Was and were. What is the past form of can? Could. Past form means when we are talking about past time, then we need these forms. For example, if you want to ask about today, you ask what is it? What day is it today? What day is it today? But if you want to ask about yesterday, your question will be what day? What day was it yesterday? Say the full sentence. You are going to talk. You're not going to say one word. Say the full thing. What day was it yesterday? क्या होता है फालतू कह देखे Don't put your pressure on this. Did properly, I told you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What was the sentences? Do you remember? Do you remember some of the sentences? आपके मम्मी पापा कहाँ हैं? Ask.
Where are they? Where are they now?
नहीं नहीं आप किताब से नहीं पढ़िए पूछिए मेरे से Where are your parents now? Okay? कल आपके पेरेंट्स कहाँ थे? बोलिए.
Where was your parents? Where was your parents now?
Where
Ye-
आप नहीं बोलिए.
Yesterday.
आपके पेरेंट्स कहाँ थे कल? Where were your parents? Not was your parents. Prisha, are you all right, beta? Where were your parents yesterday? Where were your parents yesterday? Because was is for singular or plural? Parents means plural,
Singular.
right? So where were your parents yesterday? Now. Hmm. Look at the blue box, grammar. Oh, I'm not sharing. Let me share my screen. I'm still bothered about not getting through. I don't know what's wrong. I need to get a new phone, maybe. It's not done. Give me a second. Roop, Roop, Awaz, can you hear me?
Is my exam now.
Hello? Hello? Okay, listen, Roop. Listen, Roop. Roop, will you listen? I'm saying, can you hear me? आयांश दरवाजे पर हम उतारे अभी बाइक से और हम अंदर दरवाजा खोलने आए। वो लगता अपने घर चला गया, तो हम उनसे बात किए राजू जी से, तो बोले हम पता करके बताते हैं, लेकिन शायद मेरा फोन नहीं लग रहा, तो हम तुम्हें व्हाट्सएप कॉल कर रहे हैं। तो पता करो कि हाँ वो घर पहुंच गया। वो मतलब दरवाजे पे उतरे ना बाइक से, तो हम चाबी लेकर के आगे बढ़े दरवाजा खोलने के लिए, और वो निकल लिया अपने घर की तरफ। उसका घर इधर है, क्या कहते हैं, मेरे हम लोग के स्कूल से गुड़िया की तरफ, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो उधर गया, मेरे बच्चों ने बताया कि वो उधर ही गया। जरा कंफर्म करो, ठीक है? ठीक है। हु डू यू हियर व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? व्हाट डिड यू गेट? व्हाट डिड यू हियर? हु विल यू कॉल? Who will you call? Ask. Don't you have Rajuji's number? Okay, I'm sharing with you. बच्चे बच्चे होते हैं ना। Guys, look at the blue box, grammar and pronunciation box. Look at the blue box. Where are your books?
In
Can
the
you
bag.
can you see the book, the board screen? Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
What is written there? There are three columns. One column has pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And the other two columns are positive and negative. You have to complete the past simple of be verb. Do it in your book. I've given you the book now.
Yeah.
Do it in the book. Prisha beta, I think Prisha didn't sleep very well last night. Huh? Or is she sick? Then why is she upset? She woke up early morning. Oh, so she's feeling tired. Let her rest then. Do you have your book?
Yes.
Get your book quickly. Beta, where is your notebook?
I have also get up. I get up at 3 o'clock at night.
But you are not feeling tired, right? Good. Come on. Do the exercise. The blue box. बी वर्ब के पास्ट सिंपल फॉर्म्स होते हैं. बी वर्ब मतलब इज एम आर. तो पास्ट में यानी कि पास्ट टाइम के बारे में बात करने पे बी वर्ब के पास्ट फॉर्म इज एम आर नहीं होते. क्या होता है वो देखो. वॉज वर होता है. आई वॉज नेगेटिव. wasn't. अंशी
Wasn't.
फोकस. यू के साथ यू वर नेगेटिव. यू weren't.
Were.
It
Was.
was negative. He, she, it
Wasn't.
wasn't. We were
Were.
negative. We weren't
One.
positive. They were
Were.
They
negative.
were.
They weren't.
Weren't.
They were.
Okay. Now, फिर से एक बार. Be verb has two past forms. Be verb के दो past forms होते हैं. Was and were. Past forms. मतलब past में यूज होने वाले फॉर्म. पास्ट की बात करने के लिए यूज होने वाले फॉर्म को क्या कहते हैं? पास्ट फॉर्म. यानी अगर मुझे बोलना है कौन सा महीना चल रहा है, व्हाट मंथ इज इट नाउ. व्हाट मंथ इज इट नाउ. आंसर अंशी, व्हाट मंथ इज इट नाउ. व्हाट मंथ इज इट नाउ.
It's July.
It's July. What month is it now? It's July.
July.
Right. लेकिन मैं पूछूं पिछला महीना कौन सा था? What month was it? Last month. What month was it? Last month.
June.
It was June. It was June. It is July. It was June. यही point है. You're talking about the past time. So you said it was June. तो हिंदी में be verb है होता है, हूँ होता है, हो होता है. और पास्ट में बी वर्ब कैसा दिखता है हिंदी में? था, थे, थी. ये बी वर्ब दिखता है. हालांकि जहां भी दिखे वो बी वर्ब नहीं हमेशा. ठीक है. हमें इंग्लिश में जैसे आपने देखा, आप कहना चाहते हैं कि मैं पढ़ने में अच्छा हूं. आई एम इंटेलिजेंट. आई एम. अगर यही बात आपको अपने दादाजी के बारे में बोलनी कि मेरे दादाजी इंटेलिजेंट थे, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? माय दादाजी इज इंटेलिजेंट. उसका मतलब हो जाएगा प्रेजेंट. माय दादाजी
Father
was
was.
intelligent.
Father, sir.
Okay. My dadaji was intelligent.
Intelligent.
Grandfather.
My dadaji was intelligent. My dadaji was intelligent.
English is the Dadaji of English is called grandfather.
My dadaji was intelligent. My dadaji was intelligent. Have you seen your dadaji? Have you seen your dadaji?
Yes. Grandfather.
He's your dadaji. Yes. Have you seen your nanaji?
Yes.
Is your nanaji alive?
What is alive?
Zinda. Is your nanaji alive?
Yes.
Is he still here in this world?
Yes.
Okay. Who loves you more, your dadaji or your nanaji?
Both.
But who loves you more?
Dadaji.
Your Dadaji loves you more. आप बच्चे से हार नहीं मानते, ठीक है? बच्चे बच्चे ही रहेंगे। उनको जो दिया है, समझ रहे थे मैंने क्या किया इतनी देर इसके साथ बात करके? I made her say Dadaji in English. Who loves you more, your Dadaji or your Nanaji? Then she said Dadaji. This time did not say grandfather, because grandfather matlab Dadaji, grandfather matlab Nanaji as well. How can she answer that question? तो इंटेलिजेंस लगता है बच्चों को कन्विंस करने में, घुमाने में। Because I know उसने रट्टा मारा हुआ है, grandfather मतलब दादाजी। But the fact of the matter is, in English, Dadaji and Nanaji both are translated the same way, grandfather. So if I am talking about Dadaji, not Nanaji, and I'm talking in India, and I'm talking to someone who understands Hindi, I will still use Dadaji, not grandfather. If I'm talking to a foreigner and I don't think that person knows what Dadaji is, if I don't think that person will understand Dadaji word, then I will use paternal grandfather, my father's father. I will say my father's father. Because grandfather can be confusing. If I say a sentence, my grandfather is a doctor, then many people will not understand my mom's father is a doctor or my dad's father is a doctor. Many people will not understand. But when I say my Dadaji is a doctor, really?
What?
Do you want scolding?
No.
You punishment? You want punishment?
No.
Spanking?
No.
Then behave yourself. Understand?
What is spanking?
Spanking. This is called spanking. Do you want this?
You do.
I spanked myself. I know. I spanked myself.
You spank yourself.
But I will spank you next time if you misbehave. Understand?
What a miss.
Misbehave. It means behave badly. Understand? It means break discipline. All right. So look, when it comes to I, he, she, it, you use was. When the subject is you, we, they, you, we, they, then you use were, not was. All of you, Amay, Harsh, all of you will be taken care of today. Look at the time. It is 5:42 now. What time were you supposed to be here? You saw me going. You saw me going. All of you saw me going. Leaving hostel for the class. हाँ वो पहुंच गया घर. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. मेरे साथ
कोई एक्स्ट्रा काम नहीं. एक्स्ट्रा काम हमेशा ही लोग हम बोलते हैं, उसके बाद तुम लोग काम छुपाते हैं काम. लोग अभी साथ
He's the guardian of another child. I was still thinking about अयांश so much. अरे जल्दी confirmation भी तो आए कि हाँ he is at home. I'll feel relaxed. Nobody is giving me any confirmation. Okay. What is the past form of can? Positive form is could and negative form is? Negative form is?
Couldn't.
He's reached home. Okay. So if I want to say कि मुझे नाचना आता है, then I will say I can dance. मेरे दादाजी को भी बहुत अच्छा नाचना आता था, तो बहुत अच्छा नाच लेते थे. तो my grandfather, my दादाजी, my नाना जी, whoever, आगे बोलिए ना, could dance very well. Can नहीं बोलना है. It changes. It becomes could dance very well. मेरी मम्मी बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती है. My mother can cook very well.
Okay.
मेरी नानी भी अच्छा बनाती थी. My nani could also could right. जब मैं छोटा था मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाता था. When I was a child, when I was a child, I when I was a child, I couldn't
Don't speak.
speak
I
English.
couldn't speak
I
English.
couldn't speak English. Can, can't, could, couldn't. अब ये प्रैक्टिस लगेगी कि नहीं जानने के बाद, तभी झिझक खत्म होगी ना. प्रैक्टिस से झिझक खत्म होती है ना. So if you want to get rid of your hesitation, let's start your practice. Did you practice these questions with your partner in our last class? These questions, did you practice? Okay. Now, exercise 3. पढ़ो यहाँ पर. चलो एक बार एक कर लेते हैं. Practice the red question, the past questions only. Ask me, come on. नीचे देख के बोलोगे, ऊपर देख के बोलोगे. मतलब देखते रहना है, पूरा पढ़ना है, बोलना नहीं है. आना नहीं चाहिए कि मुझे आता है, मैं कहीं भी पूछ सकता हूँ. भाई कल कौन दिन था भाई, कैसे पूछेंगे? What day was it? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Was it yesterday? What day was it yesterday? आप चुप नहीं रहने का. सास मर जाएगी अभी, ठीक है, फिर होता रह जाएगा ब्याह तेरा. इसलिए गलती से मत चुप रहियो. श्राप रहे. जो चुप रहेगा उसकी सास, कुंवारे लोग जो हैं उनकी सास मर जाएगी, ठीक है, याद रखना. हाँ, जो कुंवारे लोग हैं उनको ये श्राप है, जो शादीशुदा उनको नहीं दे रहा मैं. ठीक है? हाँ, प्रैक्टिस पूछो।
It was Tuesday.
What was yesterday?
It was Thursday. देखो देखो देखो, चुप है। इट वाज थर्सडे में अगला क्वेश्चन पे चली गई। देखो इसका फोकस देखो। इट वाज थर्सडे।
No, it
अभी
wasn't Thursday yesterday.
तुम्हारा काम है करेक्शन
It
करना।
was
करोगे?
Tuesday.
चलो जल्दी करो।
No, wasn't.
नो
It wasn't Thursday. Yes.
इट
Tuesday.
वाजंट थर्सडे। अभी क्या अलग से सिखाया जाएगा इसको बोलने के लिए? लाइन कुछ और सिखाने की जरूरत है? क्या बोलना था तुम्हें? नो नो,
No, it wasn't yesterday.
इट वाजंट थर्सडे। आगे बोलो।
It was Tuesday yesterday.
It was Tuesday yesterday. Got it? Come on, girl, practice. Janvi, practice.
What food was prepared at your house yesterday, sir?
Very good question, but I will ask you to hold on. Let's practice these questions. Abdul, you are doing great. No problems, Abdul. I'm feeling very proud of you, okay, right now. Well done. Now, ask me the next question. What month was it last month? It was
Was
July.
it last month?
Next month.
No, it
It was
wasn't.
June.
It was
June.
Yeah. All right. Ask me the next question.
Was it sunny yesterday?
yes,
I think it was. I think it was. I think it was. My memory is bad. I don't remember whether it was sunny yesterday. Was it sunny yesterday? Partially.
Yes.
Where were you yesterday?
Yes.
It may- Sometimes it was sunny, sometimes it was not. Sometimes it was sunny.
Where were you
Sometimes.
yesterday?
Yes, ask me again.
Where were you
Yeah.
yesterday?
Yes,
Yesterday.
yesterday.
देर मत पढ़ना उसको। Word है ना जो आपको
Very.
शादी के बाद आप बन जाएंगे
Where?
वधू।
Where was?
Okay. Where was I yesterday? Oh, I wasn't at school. I wasn't here. But I was in Bihar. But I was busy. Next question.
Where were they yesterday?
ये दे कौन है? डायरेक्ट पूछ रहे हो फिर भी दे बोल रहे हो।
Where?
दे किसके बारे में आपको नहीं पता?
Yes, yesterday.
Parents.
पूछिए
What
ना।
was you eat night?
एकदम गलत सवाल। अभी नहीं पूछना है। एकदम गलत सवाल। दिमाग नहीं लगाते, प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते घर पे कुछ भी, मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ ध्यान नहीं देते। मैंने अपने पिछले क्लास में बोला था कि बी वर्ब के साथ V1 नहीं लगाते। और व्हाट वाज यू ईट पूछ दिया किसी ने।
What did you eat?
ठीक है, आई थिंक इट वाज प्राची। पिछले बार भी गलती करी थी, आज फिर कर रही है। कोई चेंज नहीं 3 दिनों में उसके अंदर। नो लर्निंग प्राची, नो लर्निंग इन 3 days, नो इम्प्रूवमेंट इन 3 days.
Sir, I'm not
Don't-
there in 3 days.
Now you were. I remember correcting you. You were when I was
Yes.
teaching the art form. You were, and you made this mistake. And I told you, remember, guys, you can't say I am go. So you can't say I was go. Past tense. क्यों? Am और was अलग कहाँ है? Be verb ही तो है। एक present form है, एक past form है। तो जो be verb के लिए रूल है वो सब पे अप्लाई होगा। be verb के बाद V1 नहीं होता। शुरू से बोल रहा हूं ना। हाँ, तो ये हिंदी वाली है। कहाँ गए थे के लिए वॉज लगा लिया, जाना के लिए गो लगा लिया। अभी क्या सीखा? वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करना होता है? V4। ओ बी के साथ ना, बी के साथ। गुड, यस, वेरी गुड। चलो यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। क्या लिखा है? आप कहाँ थे कल? तो आपने पूछा वेयर वर यू यस्टरडे। अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Just
वेयर वर योर पेरेंट्स? वेयर वर योर, आप
Where
लोगों ने दे
parents-
देखकर वेयर वर योर पेरेंट्स यस्टरडे? वेयर वर योर पेरेंट्स यस्टरडे?
Parents.
product.
They were here. My mom was here. I mean, my papa is no more. My mom was here in Bashville. Next question.
Were you in England
Were
yesterday?
you in England last year?
Must.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Next question.
Could you ski? No, no.
When you were
No,
5
I
years,
couldn't. No, I couldn't. Next.
Could your teacher
did
speak
your
English?
teacher speak English when
No,
he
I
was
couldn't.
7?
No, I couldn't. Of course not. Now, exercise 3, guys. Look at exercise 3 on your screen. Complete the sentences with the past form. Past form of be verb or can. Past form of be verb or can. तुम लोग सिर्फ बैठे हो hostel students or are you doing your activities as well? Do you have the books around you? How many books do you have? And the books I gave you yesterday or today, maybe, I don't know. Are those books ready? Amay, I gave you books to give to Shubhankar. Where are those books?
Past.
I don't.
I saw.
Go and get them.
दिव्यांशु शुभांकर भैया से बुक से मांग के ला।
Past.
Don't just sit. Sit with your book and do the activities, the exercises. Hello? Everybody, get your books. Get your notebook. Get your notebooks. Just sitting there, listening to Satyanarayan Swami Vrat Katha. Do
I
exercise 3.
like it.
One more person needs a little bit of scolding. Faizan, look at Dilshad, look at Rishikesh, look at them all. They're all doing the activities. You are holding your phone in your hand. How can you do the activity?
What are you doing?
Look at Abdul Rahman Bhaiya, what he is doing. Can you just sit in a nice place, put your mobile down, and do the activities with the book?
Come, keep please.
If you don't have the book, let me know. Faizan. I can see the faces of all the students busy doing the activity. Aiza, Sania, all of them. Abdul, Dilshad, Rishikesh. Taiba, I can't see you though.
बंडल ऑफ टी
Taiba was not doing the activity. Her phone is, orientation is not right. Are you all done? Huri?
Yes, sir.
I
Anushka?
have done.
Okay. My question
Sir.
was not having, my question was, are you done? Anshi, आपने किया exercise 3? आप बैठने आई हैं? तो सब कर रहे हैं, सबसे मैं बोल रहा हूं किया किया कर रहे हैं, आप क्या कर रहे हो? प्लीज आंसर. Where is your effort? Questions are right there on the screen. Look. Do the questions.
दूसरा बच्चे
कर लो सारा, डांट सुन जाओगे अभी कर लो. Do all the expressions there in your head. Do them in your head. Past form of be verb, right, guys? And past form of can verb. You can use them to complete the sentences. Sentence number 1. I wasn't at school yesterday because
I was
I
ill.
I was ill.
Ill.
I wasn't at school
Yes.
yesterday
Yes.
because I was ill. I
Yes.
am at school today because I'm not ill. I am at school present today. I'm present. I am at school today because I'm not ill. But yesterday
No,
I was at school because I was
I was
Sick.
ill.
2. Last week
My
my
parents were not
or were.
at
were not
Parents
Plural.
at work.
My parents
last week.
positive or negative? Positive or negative?
negative.
Positive.
Negative. My parents
Yes.
want. Negative कैसे होता है? Work का negative क्या होता है?
One.
Want. My parents weren't at work last week. They weren't at work last week.
Week. They were
they
on
were
holiday. On
in
holiday
Spain.
in
They were on holiday
Yes.
in Spain. They were on
Yes.
holiday in Spain. They were on holiday in Spain. कुछ समझ में आया इसका मतलब? पढ़ो सेंटेंस सामने.
Yes.
हमारे बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, वही रीजन है तुम्हारे ना सीखने के पीछे. पढ़ो. Where my parents weren't at work last week. They were on holiday in Spain. My parents